Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna go check out this drift car. I found this super nice 350Z and the owner is super cool and the parts look like they're great parts and it's well built and it hasn't been drifted, believe it or not. So we're gonna go take a look at this car and we made a great deal on it. I almost feel bad to lowball the guy, but I let him know what the situation was, and he said that since I came at him with the respect and was straight up, that he appreciates it and he's willing to do a deal. So very grateful for that, man. If you're watching this, thank you. You did a very kind thing. We're gonna go take a look. It should all be good, and yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I hope you enjoy it. All right, so now here's Phil. The car's gonna be for him, and we're driving over. We're not that far. We're about maybe an hour away. So we're almost there, and we'll show you guys the 350Z in a little bit. Okay, we're almost here. We're 10 minutes away, and look at this crazy tunnel. Like any truck would fit through there. So we're super close to seeing the 350Z. I hope you guys are ready for it. All right, the car's pulling up now. Here it is. The owner went for one last drive. Just gonna check this thing out real quick.
So just sanding down the kit because I don't want to fuck it up too. Yeah.
So you guys saw the parts list in the beginning. He has a ton of great parts. It looks like no expense was spared to building this thing super well, and it's just crazy. It looks so good. It looks just as good or better in person. So this is looking really good to me, and we already discussed the price. So I'm gonna probably just go for a test drive, but I don't see any issues or any way this isn't a great deal. Just a bunch of great parts. So we'll just do a quick inspection, but the price is already set, and yeah, looks super good. Let's pop the hood.
This is a wrap.
Yeah,
The car's white underneath.
it's gray. It's
Gray.
like this ugly. It looks like a gray, like a really ugly gray.
But the light one or the dark one?
It's like a light one.
Okay.
Or it was like a no. It's like the dark version. It's like gunmetal-ish. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's pretty decent. Actually.
I just got like the version of the oil piston in it. But you have like the Mishimoto. You also have an oil cooler, so it stays cool like in hot like during summertime. Dude, this thing was like never.
Yeah, that's the right setup. It still burns a little oil though because it's a DE, right? It has to.
Dude, barely.
Okay.
I'll tell you right now, barely. I had no issues with my oil burning out.
That's dope. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, it looks super solid, and for what it is too, like you can't ask for anything else, anything more. Engine intake.
Yeah, he just kept telling me like, get all the suspension parts on it. Oh, it's doing it.
Yeah, this car looks good to me. I'm just gonna scan the computer, but I'm pretty sure it has no problems, and everything is like he said it would be.
And then also you
He has part shot max angle too. It looks legit.
Is that if you have an issue with them, they're
Fuel
right there in
suspension.
Montana where you guys,
Yeah,
you guys
yeah,
are
right.
most of them
Yeah.
anyways. They said they would literally do like a suspension job in 2 weeks.
Dude, Odie's legit. His stuff is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna go with that or BC.
Fuel suspension, part shot max, Mishimoto engine, Prisma, Sparco. All this stuff's legit. It's super clean, super well made. Everything looks good. I'm gonna just scan it because that was the plan, and then I'm gonna go for a drive. But this is about to be a done deal.
I don't know. Do you know who's got this by any chance?
I don't know their names, but like I know those guys. I've like went to their private events and stuff.
Like that.
So here's a Tomei.
It's like an S13.
So all the arms back here.
Either 240 or S13.
Good alignment.
But he was the one that was like, bro,
Really well set up.
Like you can't go wrong with those like arms in the rear.
Can't complain about anything right here. So not an expense spared. So I just checked out the ECU. There's no codes. Like legit, this car has like 20 great parts and 0 issues. So I'm gonna just go for a test drive and then we're gonna be good to go. And here's the owner. What's your name, man? You wanna?
Ariel. Live out in Winchester. I was building this car probably around the time that my daughter was about to be born, and then had my daughter and it didn't work out. Daddy duties. Dude, this thing is to get on.
I have an extended one. I'll probably sell it to him or let him have it.
Oh, there you go.
I made a custom one because I used to have the same setup. All right, let's go test this thing out.
aren't as short as me, so
I'm 6'1".
yeah, I'm solid 5'5", so it's like no.
Should I make a right or U-turn or what?
Yeah, make it right. Make it right, and then get to the end of the street. And then yeah, because the neighborhood's gonna be like, oh. But as soon as we get out there, go ahead. You can open that up.
Sure. And everyone probably knows you and knows the
Yeah,
car.
the shitty part is that everyone knows the car.
Yeah.
And they're like, oh, we know which house that is.
Yeah.
They go
Right.
left and then go right.
And the steering's like super soft for 1100 guys. Make a right?
Yeah, go right, and then it's gonna be like two. I think it's only two lights down or one light down. No, so after that light, there's a stop sign.
At the intersection?
Yeah.
It's 6-speed, right?
6-speed, yeah.
Is the e-brake adjusted to work or no?
What happened?
Does the e-brake work or is it
No.
an adjustment?
It needs an adjustment.
Or a hydro? It's just gonna get a
Yeah.
hydro. Right here is good or what?
Yeah, so right here.
Alright.
Let these cars pass, and then
Alright then.
I'm gonna check right really quick. But
Okay.
go ahead.
Yeah, you check right, I'll check left. Alright, let's solve it. Left or what?
That guy. Just keep going. What a bum. No, stop.
The car's gonna be gone from the city anyway, you're good.
Yeah.
That's perfect. The car's perfect. Take a left here or what?
Yeah, go left here.
Well, let's blow the red too so the guys can catch up.
Yeah. No one's gonna come right here.
Little rubbing, that's
How'd you like it?
It's good. It's super smooth. I'm gonna make it right here, just get out of sight.
Yeah. Also, too, you could probably put air in the tires to get a little bit more pressure in there.
Yeah, no, it's fine, dude. Like, from here, there's, of course, a lot of, like, minor tweaks and adjustments, but the car's solid. I just wanted to make sure, like,
Oh, 100%, dude. Yeah,
like, 100% solid.
I know. I was like, man, I told like my fiance, and then I told my fucking best friend, which is the chick.
Yeah.
I was like, bro, I don't want to sell my car, but you know. And then she also bought a Miata because she wants to build it.
I just gotta tell all my viewers, forgive me for doing bad on the clutch. There's like a block on the pedal. It's not my fault.
Oh yeah, trust me. It's also, dude, it's such a weird clutch to get used to too.
Yeah, no complaints, dude. We're just gonna give you the cash and we're done.
Oh, for sure, for sure.
Alright, so after the drive that we got on the GoPro, it's good to go. Everything feels perfect. The suspension feels great. The acceleration feels great. The motor's healthy. The transmission's cool. All the gears are cool. The differential's cool. Like, zero complaints. It's perfect. We're gonna just give him the money, get the title, do the paperwork, and we're out of here. So, yeah, let's get that done. This thing has that color of DK's friend from Tokyo Drift. So we're just counting out that cash, doing that paperwork. So this car does have a stage 4 clutch and a light flywheel, but I was struggling with the pedal more than anything because it's block. So I gotta clip this thing now. These zip ties. Okay. Alright, should be good now. Let's see if Phil can handle this, and then see if he's gonna drive it home or if I can drive it for him. Alright, so
Nice.
Phil could handle this, and I'm gonna drive his daily back for him, and he's gonna drive this thing out. So it's a done deal. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.